Hello, I'm Rob, and I trade every day with my wife Maria. I'm a former lawyer, and she's a former banker. And we've been doing the 6 trade a day challenge. Our fund puts on about 122 trades a day in SPX, 0 DTE. It's a pretty big fund, and so we have been asked to create a smaller fund for smaller players. So this is a $30,000 challenge. We do put on 6 trades a day. We gave you every single trade on Sunday. Right here you can see what those trades are. They're $1.85 put credit spread and $1.85 call credit spread. They go on at those particular times. We also gave you the gambler's bonus at 552, but you can see what times they go on. These are actual trades that this fund makes every single day. We've been doing it for 90 days, and we're trying to update the results every day. Let's take a look at our results today. Today we were up, here we go. Today we were up $344 on Monday. We were up another $384 today. Today we did the gambler's bonus and split it, so it only made $10 on that one. The last 90 days we're up $7,743 or 26%. 26% in 90 days, pretty darn good. People say, well, show me proof. So here's the proof. It's actually from the brokerage. You can see the exact numbers are exactly what we tell you that they are. We're not fibbing. So if you are interested in how we make money in small accounts, it's the 6 trades a day. If you want to know how we're doing in the large accounts, the much larger accounts, the funds we manage, take a look at our videos, and we tell you how we backtest over 3 million trades pretty much every single week, develop the top 150 trades or 122 trades that we are actually putting on. And I think we gave you about 39 of those trades on Saturday or Sunday, and we'll try and do that every week. We don't charge anything for that. The only thing we ask is for payment is in the comments below. If you have some ideas for some videos that we can do, we'd sure appreciate it. This is a brand new channel. We really don't know what we're doing. You can tell by our video production is less than ideal. But this is as bad as it's ever going to get. We're going to constantly get better. And Maria and I hope you have a great trading day. And if there's anything we can do to help make you better traders, that's what this channel is all about. I'm Rob, signing off. Have a great day. Turn this off. There we go.